Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. My name is Haleigh. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Where are you
nice
from?
to meet you too. I am from India.
Very cool. That's awesome. Excellent. And are you practicing English for work or daily life or
Daily
travel?
life.
Cool. That's awesome. That's good.
Yeah. Mm, so, actually, I joined the Cambly 1 week ago.
Oh, nice. Very
Yeah,
cool. One
just
week
I
ago.
am practicing in English.
Good. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And that's good. That's so cool.
So
And
you, yeah,
how do you like it so far?
yes.
Yeah,
You,
you like it?
yeah, you ask me some small questions, and I will try to uh, give answer your questions.
Okay, sounds good. So, are you do you work or go to school or
Uh, yes, study. I am studying in 11th class.
11th grade?
Yeah, 11th grade.
Very cool. Very good. 11th grade. So that's the end of high school, right?
Yes, high school.
Good. And have you thought about college?
Sorry.
Have you thought about college?
Yeah. Uh,
What?
I will go to college. One year. After 1 year.
Good. And have you thought about what you want to major in?
Sorry.
Have you thought about what your major will be? What will you study?
Study.
What subject? What field?
Art.
Art. Okay, so you
Yes.
like art.
Yeah.
Yeah, like do you are you an artist yourself? Do you draw, paint?
Yes.
Very cool. What kind of art do you make?
Sorry.
What kind of art do you make? Do you do drawings,
Yeah.
paintings?
Yeah. Painting.
Okay, painting. And what
Mhm.
style?
Yes.
Do you like to paint people? Do you like to paint animals or
Yeah.
portraits, scenery?
Nature.
Nature.
Trees. Yes. Trees. Mountains.
Wow, that's cool.
Flowers. Buildings. Yes.
It's amazing. That's so great. That's good talent.
Yeah. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Usually I like to watch movies, go on walks, just
Okay.
hang out. How about you?
I like I like painting, and I listen BBC, and I reading.
Cool, that's good. What kind of
Yeah.
books do you like?
Religious books.
Oh, okay, religious books. That's
Yes.
cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. That's awesome.
So,
And do you have any brothers and sisters?
yes. I have two elder brothers and one elder sister.
Nice. So older than you. You're the youngest?
Yeah.
Very cool. And how do you like being the youngest?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's good. That's cool.
So, do you live with your family?
I live with my husband.
Okay, you are married.
Yeah.
Okay. So how old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Ah, okay.
Yeah. And how old are you?
17.
17. Very cool.
Yes.
That's good. My brother's 17 too.
Okay. How many your brothers and sisters?
I have two sisters and one brother. So my
Okay.
sister's 20, my brother's 17, and my other sister's 15.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm the oldest.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Okay. My favorite color is pink and red.
Oh, nice. Those are good
Yeah.
colors.
So, where do you live basically?
So I'm from California, which is in the
Okay.
United States,
Okay. Okay.
near the city of San Francisco. But now I live in Paraguay, which is a
Okay.
country in South America.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, there is the coronavirus right now.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. How about your city? Coronavirus?
yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
In the whole
Lockdown.
world, right? Lockdown?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, is it bad there? What part of India are you living in?
Jammu and Kashmir.
So is that like the southern part, northern part,
Northern.
northern India?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you ever visited in India?
No, I've never been to India.
You want to come?
Yeah, that would be awesome. I'd love to visit India.
Okay.
What do you recommend? Like if I go to visit India, what places should I go to visit? What are the best places in India to see?
Kashmir. Kashmir is
Kashmir?
a beautiful place. Yeah.
Wow, that's
Famous,
cool.
famous place.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. That's
Yes.
cool. That's awesome.
So, what's
Yeah.
your profession?
Teaching English. That's my main profession for now. Right now I'm focusing on online teaching just because of coronavirus.
Okay.
I
Hmm.
can work from home.
Oh, you are
Yeah.
Cambly teacher.
Mhm. Yeah. And I have other students too. I have my own students, so
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
So, mm,
So how did you start practicing your English? How did you learn? In school?
yeah,
Mostly learn in school, and so you just want to practice your conversation.
yeah, conversation in,
That's good.
yeah,
That's awesome. That's great. Well, that's good. In Cambly, you can practice a lot conversation, and because some people they learn in school, but it's hard for them to have a conversation. So that's what's good about Cambly. You can learn a lot.
yeah,
That's good. That's good. Very cool. Well, I think the time is about up, but it was nice to meet you.
yes, nice to meet you too.
See you again soon, okay?
Okay,
Have a good day. Bye bye.
bye bye.